So teachers. How many times have I called you? 3 times. Why do you say investing? Mbona mnaogopa kuinvest your money? As much as you are having a stable income. Outside there are some people who respect teachers, but others do not respect teachers. Ukipita mahali unasema hiyo pikipiki ni ndefu ya mwalimu. Why? Because we fear investing. We need to come to a consensus. We need to sit down and discuss as teachers. Why do we fear investing? So I've done my research, and after interacting with the different teachers, after analyzing the lifestyle of the different teachers, after having a deep research with my colleagues, with the people whom we do meet as teachers, and I've realized there are 5 main points that are common to all of them when it comes to investing. So, the point number 1, teachers fear losing their money. So teachers work every hard for each and every shilling they get. If you get a teacher earning 30,000, that 30,000 is a sweat. They have toiled for that money. So the moment they just think of even losing that money by doing a risky business, they just give up. Wengine wanasema wacha nipigie mwili pole. That money, it is better I take that money to maybe buy something good, take a drink, take mama out, enjoy myself. Life is too short, but not risking that investment in business. Not knowing that those successful business, the moguls like the richest person in the world, like Elon Musk, before they became wealthy, they took a major step of taking a major risk. So teachers don't fear taking this risk. Then the point number 2 that I've realized why teachers fear investing is lack of financial discipline. No, lack of financial education. Teachers do not have the financial education. Most of the teachers, they normally take their time, a lot of their time, teaching learners. And they're just teaching learners to be somebody in future. Like if you find the teachers are knowledgeable in their subject area, if you find a mathematics teacher, that mathematics teacher is knowledgeable. Hata uleta swali gani, that teacher is going to just brush through that question. If you get an English teacher, a teacher of English, wanasema the difference between English teacher and the teacher of English. So a teacher of English, that teacher is very good at driving the point to learners until the learners don't understand. But it's very unfortunate. The same teachers who are teaching our learners, they are not able to teach themselves this financial education. Teachers do not know how to sell. Teachers don't know how to budget. Teachers don't know how to prepare, maybe on how to survive on the little money they earn. They end up borrowing. So the step number 1 towards investing is ensure that you have the financial education. Then the point number 3 that maybe that is making our teachers not to invest is a bad past experience. After talking to a few teachers, they said that once at a time they invested their money in different businesses. Some said we invested in maize farming. Then in the maize farming is normally unpredictable. At times, you will find that you've planted your maize, but now the time you are waiting for the market price, for the market maybe to the prices in the market to shoot, then that year the government maybe allows the maize from other countries to come to Kenya. So the maize does not the maize price does not shoot up. And at times when it comes to maize farming, the government does not have the right marketing strategy. It's not like sugarcane. The goodness the sugarcane that you can just plant, then already you are having a ready market. So those kind of stories, they are making our teachers to fear investing. And they are talking about the issue of sugarcane. Nasema unapanda miwa, then badala kuwa tunangoja miwa ikusaidie, watu wanaingia kwa miwa, wanakata miwa, wanavunja miwa wakikula. At the end, by the time you're going to cut the sugarcane to the transport the company, you find that people have harvested almost a quarter of it, so you end up losing. Some even give experience of the poultry farming, that they invested their money in poultry farming, but diseases came and shattered their dream. It killed almost all the stock. So those kind of experiences, they are making the teachers fear investing. Somebody said it's better to have that money with you than investing. Then the next point you are talking about the some that I've interacted with, they talk about the issue of the salary and commitment. And teachers have responsibilities. Some are family men, women. They have people who depend on them. And you find that in a Kenyan setup, those who normally pursue teachers are normally they are from poor background, or talk about the humble background. You will find that after getting employed, you are have a long list of dependents who want their help, ranging from their grandparents, their parents, their siblings, and even his family. And now now you have the bills. So that money is not even enough to save so that you can do the investment. That kind of commitment they normally make them to fear. Then the last one, the most ironical one, was waiting for the perfect moment. And come to think of it, do you have a perfect moment? I think we don't. If you want to invest, just invest. And the best time to invest was yesterday. If you planted maize yesterday, then you are waiting for the next few days, the maize are germinating. If you are procrastinating, waiting for the perfect moment, then somebody who planted yesterday is waiting for top dressing when you are just there waiting for the perfect moment. That does not happen to investment and business. So if you want to invest, then start it immediately. So if you are a teacher, then you want to have a break even in your financial investment, then stop procrastinating, start working out. And if you're here is the reminder, you teach students to take bold steps, to think big, and chase their dreams. What about you? Teach yourself that. Think big, chase your dreams, and make bold steps. start small, control your spending, be disciplined, and seek knowledge, financial discipline, and be good to go. Otherwise, if you are looking for more personalized financial videos like this one, then this is your channel. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.